The bedroom is what everybody must use every day. Accordingly, create good illume lamplight to the bedroom to create sweet atmosphere is very necessary. One of the most common applications of COB LED strips is to attach a band of COB LED strips to the bed feet. With intelligent sensor switch, can give you up in the middle of the night to bring great convenience. COB LED light with soft light is not dazzling, even babies can adapt. COB LED strips can also control the color temperature and create a different atmosphere for you to experience, so get one of these strips for your bed.
Wine racks and other display racks are common in our life. Stick COB LED lights around it, so that your wine or other items will appear more beautiful and classy. Operation is also very simple. Their own a person can complete. If one light strip is not enough, you can use multiple light strips together. I don't know what your wine rack looks like, but I think it can stick to COB LED strips. After all, it's really easy. It's so beautiful to drink in this light. COB LED strips can also be installed in a refrigerator and work just as well. But you're better off using a waterproof COB LED strip. When you open the fridge, I guarantee you will be amazed. Fish tanks are also very common in our life. Do you think your fish tanks are not attractive enough? I'm just doing a demonstration to show you that the waterproof COB LED light belt can make the fish tank more beautiful. I think not only your friends, but also the fish will like the warmth of the light. Do you have a fish tank? I have a lamp.
Attaching a COB LED light strip to your cabinet is a no-brainer. You can do better if you can. The best thing about this is that your shadow doesn't appear on the kitchen counter. It'll shine a lot on your cutting board.
It is also common for TV cabinets or dressers to be decorated with COB LED strips. Just glue the strip along the edge of the table. The COB LED strip, even when unlit, is an ornament, unlike the traditional SMD strip, which looks awkward. It will be more perfect if it can be combined with other ambient lighting. To achieve all this, you don't need to ask a professional master to operate, as long as you can create a satisfactory effect. Sofa is basically a household necessity, so, have you thought about installing COB LED light belt for sofa? In fact, this is very common, especially in high-end clubs and bars and other places. Sofa lights can also give a different experience. It's nice to have a smart sensor switch that automatically lights up our light belt whenever someone sits down on the sofa. You can choose a light color close to the sofa. Our COB LED lights come in a variety of colors for you to choose.
In addition to the sofa, you can also install COB LED strips on the chair, which may be a little less convenient. Since you need to consider power supply, perhaps you can use a portable power supply to power the COB LED strip. The COB LED strip installed in the anchor line is the most common way I have seen. Some people like to call this way anti-kick lamp or anti-collision lamp because it is not only installed in the easy-to-see the wall, more often we can install in the corner and not easy to pay attention to the corner, in addition to spinning bump or kick to think, but also add beauty to the whole space. If you have an extra COB LED light band nearby, use it to decorate your decorative tree. Just put the light band casually on the tree to create a touching effect. COB LED lamp belt is a magical product, used everywhere. Where can be pasted, there is no cannot do, only unexpected.